If you're going to make something, make it beautiful and make it functional, but especially make it beautiful.
What we wanted to accomplish here was to kind of have an all-in-one cooking experience, especially when you're outside with friends and family, you're gathered around the fire pit, you're sharing food, embracing the outdoors. We wanted to make this an experience that was authentic, it wasn't complicated.
I really like the accessibility of the tool right at hand. The design of having just the hooks and all the tools at hand, I think, is really valuable.
We're so focused on making a perfect product, so it's always about like two things, about time and temperature, and that's what this does so well.
Things that was really important to me, getting it off the ground, like getting it to a height that we can work from. So adding legs, but I also insisted that the legs be removable so that we could also have a fire pit. Beautiful, cozy, low fire, but we can also bring the whole thing up.
It allows you to like adjust for the temperature, and then time being of the essence. You can't be searching for something, everything is right here. To have everything like at your fingertips.
This Dansport heavy-duty swivel grill is constructed from high-quality steel and designed for cooking over an open campfire. To set up, start by using your foot to push the foothold of the stake post into the ground vertically. Do this until the post is standing on its own. Next, use a rubber mallet to put the stake post further in until the footholds are level to the ground. Unlock the locking post clip, set it to the desired level, and lock into place. Next, unlock the locking clip connected to the grill top, set the slider on the post until it touches the locking post clip, and lock it into place. To give you all of the versatility you need when cooking over a fire, we've designed this model with an adjustable grill that can move up and down from 3 inches to 15 inches for optimizing cooking temperatures based on the size of your fire. The grill also swivels 360 degrees around for easy accessibility when cooking over an open fire. Whether you are headed out to the campsite, on an RV trip, barbecue, or picnic, this heavy-duty swivel grill is the perfect accessory to elevate your outdoor cooking experience.
For this takibi setup, the brand team created an expanded fireside scene that offers ample space for cooking and gathering together. To quickly get grilling, combine a natural fire starter, such as wood shavings or crumpled paper, with coals stacked tightly on one side of the coal bed. Use the folding torch to carefully ignite the coals. Once they're white hot, create a layout which allows for both direct and indirect heat zones by arranging the coals to one half of the fire pit. Protect yourself from errant sparks and heat with Snow Peak's fire-resistant apparel, durable fire tool set, and our fireside gloves. Around takibi, everyone's the camp chef, and meals are meant to be created and enjoyed together. Once you're done with your meal, remove the grill bridge, pile on the logs, and enjoy a slow moment by the fire surrounded by nature.
Fire. The original TV, the conversation starter, warmth on frigid nights, and where the tastiest meals are cooked. The place where we get together to bring out our inner kid, where we laugh and sing, and where deep bonds are forged. Yet fire can leave behind a substantial footprint that's hard to remove. With this in mind, Wolf & Grizzly's FireSafe was born. FireSafe is a portable fire pit that allows you to start and maintain a fire anywhere adventure takes you. This grill companion elevates your fuel source, be it wood or charcoal, while leaving only good memories behind. FireSafe is lightweight, portable, and takes only seconds to set up. It's slim enough to fit into an envelope and packs away neatly into the included carrying case. It's been thoughtfully engineered entirely from 304 stainless steel for endurance and corrosion resistance. FireSafe efficiently directs airflow straight to your desired fuel source while acting as a shield against stronger wind. A heat source and a fuel container, the FireSafe is perfect for a spontaneous day trip, carefully planned expeditions, or to simply relax in your own backyard. And best of all, FireSafe is designed as a perfect companion to the compact M1 grill. Speaking of the M1 grill, your feedback blew us away. The product was met with rave reviews, and since then it's been used in over 30 countries around the world and sold through respected retailers internationally. FireSafe is now ready for production, and we decided to go back to where it all started, to you. Be the first to get FireSafe to your doorstep to create lasting memories in your own backyard, wherever that might be.
Anyone that is intentional about really grilling well and cooking great food for friends and family should be able to use the Lodge Kickoff Grill. And what you get is beautifully prepared and grilled food with very little effort, tons of versatility in what you grill, and the ability to go anywhere. So today we're going to enjoy a day at the lake and grill fruit, vegetables, meat. Really important to pick a surface that can take some wear and tear. All right, we're at that point that it's time to grill. We're just going to make sure we get that flavor on both sides. And I can hear the sizzle, and I know the grill is really hot now. I think eating food outdoors tastes better, and people gather around it. So this is our skirt steak from earlier. I've always been drawn to food. I cooked with my mother and my grandmother. I'm passionate about making food memories for people, focusing in on what people really enjoy, and making special moments for people that I love and care about. With the kickoff, I think it allows for simplicity and makes room for fun. The fact that it's simple to cook on creates fun moments.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Make cooking easy for the whole campsite with our cooking tripods. Our heavy-duty steel cooking tripod is designed around a sturdy steel construction. 3 stable legs keep it secured in place, and an adjustable S-hook chain can be raised or lowered for optimum temperatures while cooking. The S-hook is for suspending Dutch ovens, coffee pots, and more over a campfire. Next up is our tripod cooker with a 17-inch grill. This tripod collapses down to a compact design, making it great for camping, hunting, or even backpacking. The legs are made from lightweight galvanized steel and feature internal shock cords for locking into place. The grill surface is great for holding pots, pans, and coffee percolators while cooking over an open fire. And you can also cook directly on the grill surface. The grill can be raised and lowered by simply sliding the metal tab up or down the side leg. Whether you prefer to suspend your Dutch oven or utilize the grill surface over your campfire, we've got you covered with these 2 functional and easy-to-use tripods.